alligators, also known as Chinese alligators, were once on the verge of extinction, but now they're protected and their numbers have soared to over 8,000. We now take you to Anhui province, where most of the alligators live, to have a look.
The Yangtze alligator first appeared during the Mesozoic era, about 200 million years ago. But due to the harsh environmental changes and interference of human activities, the Yangtze alligator was once near extinction, with less than 500 living mainly in eastern China's Anhui province. In 1979, the Chinese government established a breeding and research center for the Yangtze alligators in Xuanzhou, Anhui province. The center focuses on artificial breeding and has adopted effective measures to guarantee the production of the species. In 1982, the center made its first successful artificial breeding of alligators. Now it keeps a reproduction rate of some 2,000 every year. At present, there are more than 8,000 alligators. The preservation efforts have also proved to be an economic success. Millions of tourists from around the world have been attracted to Anhui to see the rare animals. Income from the tourism in turn guarantees the future of the center. CCTV News.
See you later, alligator.